skull, sir.
Okay. So, skull is about to die. There's another skull here.
That's so unlucky, man.
That's
so unlucky.
I'll remark
Yeah,
another
there's a
cross
guy who
here.
fucked me.
Take out the low health ones. Yeah, don't. Even though Marcus skull, just don't kill them on me. Don't kill me, please.
I listened to ETC before he was cool.
We have a dog
Yeah,
respawn.
green.
We have a dog respawn behind us.
Okay, that's fine. Shouldn't respawn. Okay, don't kill. Don't.
Dog is pulled.
Oh.
Shows a bubble.
Okay.
Don't kill the
Yeah,
ads
the
anymore.
dog.
Let's focus the dog. Focus the dog.
That's the second dog. The second dog hasn't. It's pulled. I'll take both. I'll mark one a skull.
Do we have to kill
I
the
can't
next
bubble for the
thing?
next one.
Can you
Ivan?
get buffed? Yeah, can you get buffed?
Yes.
Potions up, people. Use your potions.
Don't explode these ads, guys.
Why are yeah?
We have to trade all.
Oh, we got two dogs.
Kinda arbor fucking life
Yeah, we got
saving.
2 dogs.
Shit.
Apparently,
Now we're safe. There's
They
nothing
should
else
not
we can do
respawn.
with those
No.
pieces, right?
Cheap bandage, cheap potion.
There's no AoE. This druid. Even swipe will not save him.
I mean,
What is this shit?
Temporarily,
What?
but-
Like also, yeah. Okay, so there's like 2 ads with